Today, hello and welcome to part 2 of convincing myself I like my new hair. Last episode we did my makeup and then we cut some layers. I think the layers really did help. I don't absolutely hate the shape anymore. Obviously, I've slept on this actually, to be honest. So today we're dyeing it. We're dyeing my hair. I feel like I did a decent bleaching job the first time. My only regret is just how absolutely ginger I am. If you guys didn't already know, most of this is fake hair. So don't get me wrong, I'm dyeing 300 pounds of bundles right now. There are stakes to this, but because they're bundles, I can test strand one of them off my head. I got 2 hair dyes. I've got this grey-ish blonde hair dye. It looks grey on camera. It's a grey hair dye now that I've read it. It's a soft silver hair dye. And so I've got a grey hair dye, but I'm hoping that's before and that's after. I'm hoping it will tone me. I'm more ginger than the before, but wishful thinking. And then I got a brown just to darken up some of the roots, add some low lights. In my head it makes sense. I just need you to stick with me, right? Grey hair dye, let's go. Let's see what we got in the box. I never read the instructions, not gonna lie. But the best thing about these things is we got a 1, we got a 2, and we got a 3. It's the same every time. 3 never goes with 1 and 2, and 1 and 2 go together. And then I just lather it on my head and hope for the best. So, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm just gonna go for it, adding all of number 1 to number 2, and then I'm just gonna squeeze the last of it out. I did used to have a purple hair dye, which was good for the brassiness, but I think after a point of ignore the chocolate on my fingers, it just stops being effective. Let's give it a mix. My main strategy for this is just to get it on as much of the hair as I can, focusing on the ends, because that's what people can see, especially at the bottom. I'm gonna try and save most of this. I need to keep mixing. I'm gonna try and save most of this for the top of my head, but no guarantees, right? Okay, how about we try and do a thin layer first? So I've done that much on one section of the hair. Oh, it was really nothing. Oh guys, oh no. My hair's literally dry from that. Oh, I'm gonna need so much. Okay, well that was nothing, right? A little bit more. I mean, technically this is like a quarter of my hair. And focus on the bottoms as well. I always forget to focus on the bottoms. Okay, that's definitely better. Oh, okay. Quite a bit this time. Ignore my poor natural hair that will be wrapped up in this. She must suffer for the beauty. Oh my god, this is so haphazard. I am so sorry. This is literally how I did my bleach, except actually I did it while it was off my head, so that was very helpful. But oh, literally did not get changed before starting this as well. I mean, there's no change obviously, but I feel like the colour really doesn't start to set until you put it in your hair, right? I'm gonna do some more on this front bit, because that's the main bit I see anyway. This is how much we have left. You can't really see because of the light, but it's about there. We're not making terrible progress. It's not bad. If I finish this side, although I don't think that was enough, if I finish this side, I can basically guarantee the other half of my head and get some type of action, and then I can re-go over it again. And doing the roots. But we'll see how this goes, I guess. I think I also need to have dry hair, so I don't know how that's gonna work. Do I just do the brown hair dye on top of this? That does kind of make sense, not gonna lie. Like I do this hair dye, leave it, and then do brown on the pieces that I want brown. That does make sense now. I need to get the back as well. I always forget to do the back. Okay, well we're okayly saturated. It feels like barely saturated, but we have some more left. Let's just keep going, I guess. Do the back. Make sure I've done the top because my leave out's somewhere in there. The fringe as well. The fringe is an important one. See, I'm seeing orange, but because I'm literally not even using a mirror, by the way. But because I'm not using a mirror, it's like, it's to be expected. What's there? But I do, oh my god, but I do feel like I focus on one side too much. Let's have a look over here. Like this side definitely does feel drier. Also at the same time looks less orange. I feel like it's working though. I feel like it's working. Maybe one of the last squeezes, so I'm gonna put it here just because it's insanely orange. Yeah. And then I'm gonna also have a look in the mirror, just so I'm at peace with what has transpired here. Oh, the bottom's gonna be very orange as well, isn't it? Okay, well, I don't think there's a massive difference. I have concluded that I'm gonna focus on my leave out, I think, with the last bit, just because if I feel like I've kind of ignored it. So that bit's leave out. Also, the bit in the middle is leave out. And then, I don't know. I don't think we can do much more. I still need to let it sit for 25 minutes. It's not been long. I think just the ends, again, the ends are very important. I see some orange. We ignore the fact that that exists from now on. There is a difference. There is a difference. I feel like it's kind of dyeing my hair brown, but I don't hate that. It was very bright before. I think I did miss a few spots underneath. It's too late. Guys, upon further inspection, my hair looks really bad. I missed like a huge chunk at the back. I don't even want to know. I think I'm going to wash it out already. Oh. I don't know. Maybe some brown will fix it. Oh god. That sentence doesn't even feel right, does it? I'm gonna wash out. I'm gonna wash out. Before I reveal my hair, this is a level in humbleness for your own abilities. Yes, you can bleach your whole head, ginger, but can you even fix that mistake? Okay. Anyway, 3, 2, 1. Okay. It's bad, guys. It's bad. It's actually not bad. I'm gonna look in the mirror. Oh, everything I said about humbleness. I mean, I'm still very ginger. I don't know how that happened, but everything I said about humbleness. Okay. So, while everything okay, first of all, I think I invested way too much into the bottoms of my hair. Although I did say that I would use brown to make the roots darker. I don't know how much that will help right now. If I have another color in my hair, it might be worse. My roots, very ginger. I think we knew this. I think we knew this going in. And my bundles literally falling off my head. I'm gonna have to re-secure some of them. Like, this is just still ginger. Actually, I don't know. It's kind of gone more brown. As long as it's not obvious that I've just got like huge sections in my hair. Okay, guys, I'm gonna brush it out and see. Let's just see how we like it. My natural hair just didn't take to it. It's really annoying. I don't know, do I go and get another bottle of this? Because I don't hate the colour. Like, I really don't hate the colour. I don't know if I should go and get another bottle and just focus it on the roots. But I just know if I can't dye it brown right now. I think that would be chaos. Oh, guys, okay, I'm gonna let it dry and get back to you because there's no good things can come out of this conversation. Hiya, just a quick PSA. I hated how it came out. It's like green in some places, orange on top. I've already taken a bundle out. We're doing braids next. So if you want to see my process doing these micro braids, let me know.